We're Jim and Vanessa. Thanks for taking the off-ramp to adventure.
Just so you know, we're at the Ravens Cross Haunted Village. It's not open till October officially, but the store is, so.
But we're gonna peek back in there. She said we could just kind of look at it. Yeah.
Oh, cool. Came across this neat store. Look at this. If you're into Halloween, this is your place. The Walking Dead. Wow, Justice League as well. Superheroes. Hand me that lamp. Kind of creepy, kind of cool. Look, it's Jack. You can even handle your steampunk like this. That's cool. And when you get really strange, that's a mask. Of course, you got the Michael Myers and Jason. Yeah, plenty of Marvel. I'm Batman. So what? They got you Star Trek fans covered too. This place is truly out of this world. Hey, Hunt, look what I found. I'm thinking there's a couple of parties we could go to. You could wear that.
I am not putting that on my head.
Oh, come on. Yeah, don't be a party pooper.
Not.
Okay, she doesn't go ape for you, so. And look, oh, with the Raven. Howdy. Okay, that is different.
Let me get the box for that.
This is your Halloween store any time of the year, evidently. Is that Wonder Woman? Not only is Wonder Woman life-size, so is Harley Quinn. Seriously, they're like 5.5 feet tall at least. Huge. You finding something?
Yeah, I want one of those frogs. Have you seen the frogs?
No.
This is a very little tiny frog that lives in a very little tiny house.
Oh.
It's real. It's
Oh,
wild.
okay.
You have to see it. It's up there.
There's a frog in there? It's tadpole. No, it is a frog. Can you see them? Put down in the comments whether or not you would like something like this. It's curious. Very interesting. We got a cat thing lately. Notice that?
Did you see the other one laying down here asleep?
I'm more interested in the cats following
Did
us.
you see the cat?
Yeah, he's just laying around though. We're not being followed by him.
Bothering me.
He couldn't care less. Just so you know, we're at the Ravens Cross Haunted Village. It's not open until October officially, but the store is, so.
But we're gonna peek back in there. She said we could just kind of look at it. Yeah.
Oh, cool. Ooh. I haven't lost a game of this since I was a kid.
Really tiny puzzle? I mean, the little tiny pieces, do you know?
What?
Oh, no, I don't. No, that's fine. You don't have to worry about that.
Wait a minute, they're puzzles?
Yeah.
Which ones?
Well, there's a bunch
The
of
owl and the cat. Which one would you choose?
I think I'm going to take the cat.
I thought the owl, but
Well, of course
you know. Yeah, I've always got the wrong answer. Yeah, I know. Hey, hon, I found it. The original bag of poo. So, she didn't seem impressed. Just saying. Okay, we've been told we can take a sneak peek of Ravens Cross, but not till October can we come and actually see the whole thing. He's Batman. This is awesome. I cannot wait. They have like 40 actors that scare the tarnation out of you during the Halloween season. And look at this. Is this not the creepiest setting ever? Must be the hounds of HE double toothpicks making noise. Look at this. This is fantastic. I am excited. I cannot wait till October. It's only, what is it, March? We got that long to wait?
Yeah, we've noticed this before.
Yeah,
But we've never stopped.
I don't know why.
Yeah.
This all of a sudden just looks so cool. I don't think I've ever seen it up this close. I'm usually driving past it at like 50 miles an hour. Looks like they could use some repair up there maybe? Or is that part of the ambiance? We'll find out, won't we? Like this too. This is a beautiful setting. Cave City is fantastic. I love this town. If you get bored in Cave City, you aren't trying. I mean, look how happy this guy is. He loves being here. He knows what he's got. We've come upon it, the Kentucky Action Park, alpine slide, horseback riding, bumper cars, go-karts, mini golf. It just goes on, and I'm so excited. I don't know about you, but I've always been a fan of bumper cars. Look at these. Not only are they classic, but look at what they overlook. This overhangs that over there. And you got your rock climbing wall. There is so much to do in Cave City, Kentucky. I had no idea until I moved down here that there was this much going on. And this is one of those slingshot things, isn't it? I think so. Man, you guys got to come down, check this place out. Okay, important rule, no head-on bumping allowed. What kind of fun is that? Come on, guys. Don't you love this classic carnival coloring? This is so neat. Wait, there's more. We also have the Jesse James riding stables. Yes, you can ride a horse and grab a snack at a snack bar. Uh-oh, got a zip line. Might have to try that out, maybe. If I can get my courage up. Wow, you talk vintage. Look at that old car. That's an old go-kart. Classic. If you're not careful when you pass the bumper cars, you'll miss the go-kart track. This is cool. It just kind of goes down into the valley. Look at that. And not just that, but they also have, believe it or not, a tram. I don't think it's running. I don't think. But it's, that is just cool. It's classic. I'd ride that, maybe, sort of. You look at the gearing and you have to wonder, has it been maintained? Don't know. According to this, it's still running. We're kind of wondering why everything is closed today. We're thinking maybe the season hasn't started yet. We'll keep you posted. Something else we found too. Look at this.
All right, these remind me of some of the things. I know we didn't. We were a family of 6. But this reminds me of the things that you saw on 31W South going toward Florida. Just small little places. Maybe, I guess, a bed. I would assume there's a bathroom in there.
That's where tiny homes started, I think.
I think so too. It started back in the 30s. We're up on top of the mountain right now at a place that we found a couple of years ago. We just kind of took this road up. Again, small cabins, but what? Look at this. The views are just incredible. Through here. You're looking down, I think, what is this? Park City now? Or
Park City.
Park City down here. So we're up on one of the mountains. We just came back from Mammoth Cave State Park. And this is just taking off some side roads, actually. What do you think? This would be kind of a cool place to stay.
I could stay here real easy. Just to let you know, we were filming in Mammoth Cave National Park, and it dawned on us, we can't do that anymore. I don't know why they have that rule now. I guess they need more money. I don't know. But for us, it's just not something we can pay right now for a quick view of a park.
Oh my gosh, he's so cute. Look at that face. Hi, buddy. You are used to people, evidently. Oh my gosh.
Somebody want to explain this to us? A stuffed frog under a tree.
We don't know.
Yeah.
It's just on a road.
It's just under a tree. And just when you think you've seen it all, we come across this. Used cows for sale. Oh no, they've got leather upholstery and the horn works. So I've been told.